In terms of the exterior, this tiny house is quite simple with a light gray color. In my opinion, this light gray color is quite simple but modern, so it gives its own artistic feel to the exterior of the tiny home. The feel of this kitchen is quite homey, with the dominant color being white, and there are a few touch of wooden elements installed on the kitchen countertop and several existing wall shelves. Other furniture is a sofa with a light gray color, which is in sync with the exterior concept of the tiny home. In my opinion, the concept of color composition from a combination of interior siding with several home furnishing like this is quite popular with people because the color nuance is friendly to human visibility in the interior of living space. This is an example of a love bed area concept which is also identical to other interior elements. The dominant color composition is in the form of siding, and there are wooden accents elements on the boards of the existing windows. These are some reference to bathroom areas that correlate with other rooms with the themes that are in harmony with the exterior of this tiny house. In the bathroom, there are a fairly compact layout where there is a sink, toilet, shower cabin, and there is also a small window for natural lighting. A tiny home with a concept like this is quite attractive to most people because the color composition is quite simple and minimalist, not too soft and not too vibrant. What do you think about the tiny house in this episode? Is this tiny house suitable for couples? Please write in the comment column below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And see you in the next content. And have a good day, guys.